In this Strong VPN review, I am going to show you everything that you need to know about Strong VPN, including the review of streaming, speed test, security, ease of use, customer support, pricing, and pros and cons of Strong VPN. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're ready to make a Strong VPN purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. Strong VPN is one of the oldest VPN services, and it has been around since 2005. The VPN has been improving services over the years. Strong VPN is a no-logs VPN provider based in America. The VPN has now been acquired by J2 Global, a trusted company that controls some of the world's leading VPNs. Let's talk about Strong VPN security and privacy. Strong VPN uses the WireGuard, L2TP, SSTP, OpenVPN, IPsec, and IKEv2 protocols. Of these, WireGuard is an especially notable VPN protocol, because it's the most secure as well as the fastest option. Some of the benefits of the WireGuard protocol are lower risk of bugs and other security vulnerabilities, faster connection times, and reduced CPU usage. Due to its simplicity, WireGuard is especially well suited for routers, smartphones, and other devices that don't have desktop levels of computing power. At the same time, your data is encrypted with the gold standard 256-bit Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, which is used by governments, the military, and banks. This provides robust security you can trust. Strong VPN claims to be a zero-logs VPN service. That means it does not track any information about your internet connection or online activity. This includes your IP address, the sites you visit, the servers you connect to, the time you spend using the VPN, and so on. One cause for concern is the company's location in the US, which is part of the Five Eyes Alliance and lacks strong privacy laws. Following this, the privacy policy admits that the company may disclose your information to authorities when required by law. The privacy policy includes an email address that you can contact with any specific privacy-related questions. Strong VPN offers a kill switch in its Windows and macOS apps to keep you secure when browsing. A kill switch is an essential security component of a VPN because it automatically disconnects you from the internet when the VPN connection is unexpectedly interrupted. This prevents your IP address and other data from being leaked. On the whole, Strong VPN seems pretty safe to use. Now let's talk about Strong VPN speed and performance. So here you can see my internet speed and results. My download speed was 29.11 Mbps and my upload speed was 0.81 Mbps without connecting to VPN. Then after I ran the speed test by connecting to Strong VPN's best server. Then the download speed decreased to 27.34 Mbps and upload speed to 0.79 Mbps. And after connecting to the Netherlands server, the download speed was 27.43 Mbps and the upload speed was 0.63 Mbps. So you can see Strong VPN speed was really great. Strong VPN speeds are also fast enough for gaming, but you may face some delay due to the high ping if you're connected to a long-distance server. Talking about the streaming, Strong VPN managed to successfully unblock the majority of the streaming platforms that I tested. While its unblocking capabilities are short of comprehensive, I was impressed with how many platforms it was able to access. There were no noticeable moments of buffering or dips in quality when streaming while connected to Strong VPN. I was able to unblock Netflix, Hulu, HBO Max, and Disney Plus consistently with Strong VPN. While this VPN doesn't have any servers specifically optimized for streaming, I found that I could access my favorite shows from different regions with no issues. This is a great VPN if you plan to primarily stream home content from these services while you travel abroad. I was happy with my overall streaming experience with Strong VPN. Every service loaded up and worked on the first try without the need for workarounds or fiddling with VPN settings. It easily unblocked platforms such as Netflix. Strong VPN also offers a service called Strong DNS which can offer a more comprehensive unblocking experience. Now let's talk about Strong VPN ease of use. I set up Strong VPN on my Windows PC and my Android smartphone. It was very easy to install the apps on both devices. It took just a couple of clicks and I was all set in a minute. Once you choose a server and click Connect, you'll be able to see your newly assigned IP address, the time elapsed, and the new visible location. Whenever you want to disconnect, you can just click on the red Disconnect button. It is compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices, routers, Fire TV, Kodi, Linux, Ubuntu, Tor, and more. You can also use it for gaming on PlayStation, Nintendo, and Xbox. Aside from that, it is extremely easy to set it up and install the apps on your devices. So Strong VPN is beginner-friendly and easy to use. Now let's talk about Strong VPN customer support. They have 24/7 online chat support for both sales and technical inquiries, which we of course tested out at various times and with a range of queries. We found agents to be exceptionally helpful and provided informative responses. On their website, there is also a decent help section containing setup guides, troubleshooting, and FAQs. Strong VPN also offers phone customer support. Overall, we were satisfied with the Strong VPN customer service and the solutions they provided to our queries. Now let's talk about Strong VPN prices. Click on the link in the description and it will take you to the page where you'll get the best discount Strong VPN is currently offering. So from their pricing page, you can see there are two plans. Annual and monthly plan. The monthly price is $10.99, but if you purchase it for 1 year, then you only have to pay $3.66 per month. I always recommend you to purchase the longer period plan to get the best discount. As Strong VPN also offers you the 30 days money-back guarantee, so if you're not completely satisfied with Strong VPN, then you'll get the full refund if requested within the 30 days of purchase. Talking about the payment methods. The payment can be realized through all major credit cards, PayPal, Alipay, and if you want to pay anonymously you can do that by using Bitcoin. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of a Strong VPN. So the first pro is their speed. They have such a great speed. Next, a Strong VPN is also great for streaming like Netflix and other services. Strong VPN also has great features like kill switch and smart DNS. Next, their interface is user-friendly across all formats. And last, the 30 days money-back guarantee. Talking about the cons. So the first con is that there is no free trial. Next, they are based in the US, which is part of international surveillance alliances. And last con is they only have a 1-month and 12-month purchase period plan, and no 24 months or 36 months period. Now let's talk about who should choose Strong VPN. Strong VPN comes out as a reliable VPN service that can offer streaming, torrenting, solid security, and much more. It also comes with cloud storage and a smart DNS as bonus services, which means it can provide great value. It is very affordable, taking into consideration that both the monthly and the annual subscription come with free Strong DNS and 250 GB SugarSync cloud storage. So this is my recommendation for you. If you're looking for the best VPN with great speed, best for streaming, with great security and privacy features, then Strong VPN is the best choice that I think you should seriously consider. Also, if you're ready to make a Strong VPN purchase, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.